Is the trophy a must for Acun Ilicali this season?
I wouldn't say it's a must because I don't say for any club it's a must. I think success is a must, and success can be step by step to the sky. So I would choose success. Success means, for example, you can lose this year maybe. This is football, but you can win the future. So for me, future is more important in life. So I'm never concentrate on the short term. I always look to the long term.
Who will be the next transfer?
This is too much. Not for you.